What is up, you guys? It is day 2 on installing the bags. It's basically just pure shell and my caliper right there. But what I'm gonna be doing is sanding all this grime around that area down. Like in here, you see all that grime. I'm gonna clean all that gunk out. Then I'm gonna be painted black. I need to remove this because my bags are gonna be in the way and I don't need these bump stops anymore. So yeah, you guys, that's what I'm gonna be doing. After that, I'm gonna be installing the bags. And that should be fine. And then once the bags and everything's on here, I should move to the rear end. So to start with, I got a wire brush. This, I forgot what the wheel sander, I guess it was called. Spatula, I don't know how to say it in English. A blade and another blade. So I'm gonna use these 4 products to clean all that gunk over there. Finally removed this cover right here, the bump stops, and since I removed that, you know, this is how it's gonna look like, because the bag needs to deflate all the way up here. So that's why I took it off, and either way I need to sand all this down. That way I could have a clean looking vehicle without any grime all around. I'm not sure if I should remove all this though, because this is pretty much on there. It's not really bothersome, but I just did right here because there's a lot of dirt area and grime. So that's why I did that. Other than that, I'm going to do this the other side. So I won't record them sanding down the other side because I already shot you a footage of me doing this side. So basically what I'm doing here, I'm going to do the other side. But yeah, this is pretty much how it's going to look so far. There you go, you guys. I finally painted the whole thing black. Let me show you real quick. There you go, this whole area is black now. So I just cleaned areas where it would build up, and around here it looks perfectly fine, so I just spray over it. That should be good. But now to start the other side. This side came out a little better than the other one. Look at that, looks brand new. So what I'm gonna get to installing the bags, and yeah, you guys stay tuned. I will show you how to install them since this is actually an installation video. But to remove my old suspension components, I didn't show you guys that because I don't think a lot of people are interested in me removing stuff other than installing the new stuff. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna get to it. All right, you guys, to start this process.
Man, you coming along? No?
You have to go hold it back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
It's JFBoosted.
I am JFBoosted.